Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account using GCash. First, make sure you have a fully verified GCash account ready, along with a reliable internet connection. You will also need a valid email address that you actively use, plus a strong, unique password for your new PayPal account. Having these essentials prepared upfront will make the entire setup process smooth and efficient, saving you time. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official PayPal website, or simply download their convenient mobile application. Look for the Sign Up for Free button, then choose to create a personal account, which is typically what most users need. Carefully input your personal details, such as your complete name, your active mobile phone number, and the email address you plan to use. Be sure to craft a very strong password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Always keep it unique. Once your PayPal account is set up, log in using your newly chosen email and password. Inside your PayPal dashboard, locate the Wallet or Money section, which is where you manage your financial connections. From there, select the option to link a bank account or a new card. You should find GCash listed as an available option. This step will require you to provide your GCash registered mobile number, which is essential for the next stage of verification, so have it ready. After initiating the link, PayPal will redirect you to the secure GCash login page. Here, you will need to enter your registered GCash mobile number and your confidential 4-digit GCash MPIN to proceed. Shortly after, you will receive a 6-digit authentication code via SMS. Carefully input this code into the designated field on the GCash portal. Finally, review the linking request in your GCash application and confirm it, securely establishing the connection between both services for your convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.